What's going on, guys? Nalo here, and today I have just unboxed a knife recently, just probably about 15 minutes ago, and I decided to record the rest. I unboxed this out of a breakout case. I had 3 wildfire, and then 1 breakout, and then 3 falchions. And I was just looking off, and I look back, and I get this. I mean, it's pretty bad, but it goes for around $90 for a Battlestar Boreal Forest. It says 66 right there, but down here it's 89, and I checked the Steam market and it's been only at a constant 89, 90. So let's see what kind of do we only have. Now we have a revolver case, but I'm just gonna keep that there. Guess let's do one of the falchion cases. 212. See what else we can get. Great. Yeah, I've always wanted a P90. Psych. Well worn, battle scarred. Look at all these. I can't believe I unboxed that. I recently lost one of my knives because I was stupid. And let's get a Bowie knife real quick. I need these. But oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Dude. There's no way, dude. I'm getting so much luck right now. What is this? Field tested. Dude, what the fuck? I'm making so much profit. I spent 20 bucks on these cases. I bought like 7 keys. What does this go for? 35 bucks? God damn, dude. Stattrak. Oh my god. What's going on? Isn't the fuel injector better though? I've unboxed 2 reds before this, and they're both the bad kind of red. Sorry, my friend just texted me. I can't believe this, dude. What's going on? What the fuck? I'm in disbelief, dude. Like, I literally just unboxed this knife, like, not even like 20 minutes ago. And then I just unboxed a Stattrak red. What the fuck? Alright, I'm just gonna go back into wildfire because that's such a... Dude, what? I mean, it's not a blue, right? Hold on, sorry, guys. Factory no? Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Let's see what it looks like. I didn't know there was like little aliens on it. That's pretty sick. Yeah, last case. I mean, sure, little case opening, but dude, I can't believe this. Oh, that's Battlestar as shit. I mean, I'm so mad I didn't get that recorded. What the fuck? Sorry, this kid. This dude really thinks I didn't unbox this stuff. Dude, I'm in disbelief. Screw it, dude. I'm just gonna buy this one. It's useless, but I don't care. Alright, guys, I just bought $5 worth. Oh, that was just my email. Can I buy a case? Can I? Chroma 2s are skyrocketing. Alright, sorry guys, I'm just gonna look up some case. A shadow case. Let's do falchion. There's a million falchion. Jesus Christ. Okay, I can. place order. That. Alright, let's unbox. Oh, that was a little red right there. Let's see. Ugh, P90s, dude. P90s. What is this? Well worn again? Jesus, look at those well worns. Alright, last case. This is about 10 cases, and I made huge profit. Come on, knife. Aww. Ah, oh well. There's a lot of guns in that case. Alright. Wow, I'm getting so much well-worn stuff. I'm getting a lot of... Jeez. Alright. Alright. I'm so mad I didn't get this on video. But... unbox this puppy. Realize that if I can get something... oh my god. Realize I can get something good out of the next cases. I just downloaded Fraps. And just restarted recording, dude. I can't believe, dude. I unboxed this, and I'm like, oh, I unboxed the P90, that sucks. And I was like talking about I completely forgot what I was talking about. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's only 35 bucks, dude. It's 35. And then this thing's like 90, dude. I made a total of like probably $100 profit. No, not even that. Like $120 profit out of this, out of 10 cases. The best thing I've opened before this is a R8 revolver fade factory new, and that was like $14, dude. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Alright. It's probably my second CSGO video on my new piece, or my second video I posted on YouTube with CSGO. First one on the new computer. I'm liking it, but Golden Nova 3 sadly. But oh my god. Do trade up? I don't know. Okay, I'm doing this, I guess. Nova Koi. Okay, that's shite. What is it? Middleware. Fucking, I don't know, dude. Oh my god, I can't believe I got it. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, dude. I can't believe. I'm so mad I didn't get on this tape, though. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully. And hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks, guys, and peace out.